Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be decorating my office for the holidays and I wanted to be able to share with you guys. So of course I have to clean off my shelf. I love this shelf so much and I got it from Target a while back and I love changing it out with the seasons, and all of the little things you're seeing me put out I either got from Target, Dollar Spot honestly, or I got it from the dollar store. They had some really cute little things, but most of it is from the Dollar Spot. And I love just always putting out all of my different stationery and things that match whatever the theme is. This theme I decided to go with kind of a just Stationery Muse branded theme. So I have my teal, of course, mint, gold, white, and I actually got these lights from the dollar store as well. They were $1 a box, so I definitely recommend, just if you're trying to decorate an area and you don't feel like spending a ton of money, you can get some cute stuff for the low. That light kept turning on and off, so I guess it's kind of what you get when you are getting something from the dollar store, but whatever, it definitely works for its purpose. And I got this tree from the Dollar Spot at Target as well, just something really cute and simple, and I decided to add a couple lights around it. And of course, work never stops, so I have some stickers cutting for the November box, and I'm getting my little DIY wreath ready to go on the door. Alright, and the packs of bulbs are just from Michael's and the dollar store, and then I'm also going to be adding some little kind of stationery elements like paper clips and binder clips as well. And now I'm just cutting out some little DIY things I made. I have a little rectangle that I cut out using my Cricut machine to be able to create a little planner for a ornament, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And then Emery woke up at this point, so trying to keep her entertained for a little bit while I finish up what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm just gluing all of them together. And then of course I'm just gonna add them to the wreath. I think they turned out so cute.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Yeah, that is definitely one of my favorite things I did. And now I'm just cleaning off my desk and gonna change up a couple of the things on there. I just think it's always nice to be able to refresh a space, especially with the new seasons, just to keep it interesting. I'm in this room a lot, and so just to have something new to look at sometimes can just make all the difference when you feel a little bit stressed. Thanks for decorating with me. Here is the final reveal of my office for holiday 2018. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you have an amazing holiday season. Hopefully you got some great ideas for decorating your space, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Happy holidays!